Hello everyone, welcome back to accountancy second year classes. Today we are going to discuss second method of calculating depreciation, which is nothing but diminishing balance method. In this method, every year depreciation does not remain constant. Every year depreciation changes. Let's see how to solve this problem. Madhu and Company purchased a machine on 1st April 2020 for 30,000. Depreciation is charged at 10% under diminishing balance method. Accounts are closed at 31st March every year, which means the accounts are closed every financial year. Prepare machine account for 3 years. So here Madhu and Company purchased a machine on 1st April for cost of rupees 30,000. First you extract the information and do some working notes. As I have taken out the information from the question and written on working notes, date is mentioned. So first write the date on 1st April 2020. Method is diminishing balance method. It is also known as reducing balance method, or you can say written down value method. Diminishing balance method or reducing balance method or written down value method, all three are same. In this type of method, depreciation in each and every year is different from when compared to any other year. Let us say, for example, you bought a machine for rupees 50,000. 10% depreciation of 50,000 is 5,000 rupees. So what is the balance carried down? You minus 5,000 from 50,000, you will come to know the carried on balance, which is nothing but 45,000 rupees. So now calculate the next 10% rate of depreciation on carried on balance. 45,000, 10% is equal to 4,500. Like that same you have to calculate reducing balance method. In reducing balance method or in diminishing balance method, calculate the amount of depreciation on balance carried down. After usage of machine for 12 months, some value is going to be reduced, which is said to be the depreciation. After deducting that value from your main cost of asset, you will come to know the balance carried down. Calculate the depreciation for next year depreciation. You need to calculate 10% on the balance carried down. Let's see how to solve the problem here in diminishing balance method. So how many years it has mentioned? 3 years. It has started on 1st April 2020. Method is diminishing balance method. Number of asset, only one machine is given in the problem, and number of years are 3 years. Whenever you bought a machine, what is your journal entry? When you purchased a machine, when you bought a machine, the journal entry will be machine account debtor to bank account, or you can say that machine account debtor to cash account. Both are correct. So here machine account debtor, or you can say machine account debited to bank account. On which date you have purchased the machine? On 1st April 2020 to bank account. How much is the cost? 30,000. So is there any installation charges or erection charges mentioned in the question? Once you see the question, you will come to know. Madhu and Company purchased a machine on 1st April 2020 for rupees 30,000. Depreciation is charged at 10% under diminishing balance method. Accounts are closed at 31st March every year. Prepare machine account for 3 years. There is no installation charges mentioned in the question, so no need to write it. Nil. Nothing is there for installation charges and erection charges. 30,000. This year is going to be ended on 31st March 2021 by depreciation account. How you are going to calculate annual depreciation means 30,000 into rate of depreciation is 10%. 30,000 into 10%, which is nothing but, if you simplify this, you'll come to know 3,000 is the annual depreciation of this year, this financial year. By depreciation account 3,000, so you need to go for balancing again. 30,000, again 30,000, so what is the balance carried on 31st March 2021 means by balance carried down minus this depreciation amount from the cost of asset. 30,000 minus 3,000 gives you the balance carried down, which is nothing but 27,000. This 3,000 minus from 30,000 gives you 27,000. Now transfer this balance. On 1st April 2021, to balance brought down. How much? 27,000 is the value. Now this year depreciation, how you are going to calculate means, first look at the method which is mentioned in the question, diminishing balance method. Now take that 27,000 for the next year. This is the first year depreciation, this is the second year depreciation. 27,000 into rate of depreciation mentioned in the question, 10%. Now 27,000 into 10%, 0 cancel, zeros cancel, 2,700. 2,700 is the second year depreciation. In the first year 30,000, 10%, 3,000. Next year depreciation on 31st March 2022 by depreciation account 2,700, 2,700. How do you know that this 2,700 is the depreciation of this year? Means to balance brought down, which is brought down from the previous year, you transferred here, take that balance, go for the working notes. On 27,000 calculate 10%. 27,000 10% is the 2,700 depreciation value under diminishing balance method, or you can say reducing balance method or written down value method. So 31st March 2022, so what is the balance carried down means by balance carried down. Before calculating that, go for balancing here. So total 27,000. Here also go for balancing. 27,000. So what is the balance carried down means minus this 2,700 from 27,000. Let's see how to do that. For your kind information, do not use calculator at any cost under any circumstances. Do not use calculator. You do the calculation like this. 27,000 minus 2,700. So 0, 0, 10 minus 7, 3, 6 minus 2, 4, 2. 0, 0, 10 minus 7, 3, 6 minus 2, 4, 2 minus nothing is 2. So what is the balance carried down after deducting 2,700 from 27,000 means 24,300 is the balance carried down. Now transfer that value here on 1st April 2023. In the question it has been asked to prepare the machine account for 3 years. So this is the first year calculation, this is the second year, now this is the last year, third year calculation what we are preparing for machine account. On 1st April 2023, sorry, next date, on 1st April 2022, to balance brought down is 24,300. 24,300. Now calculate the depreciation of this year. How you are going to calculate third year depreciation means 2,000. Yes, take that amount 24,300. Again calculate 10% on it. 10%, 10 divided by 100 equal to 0, 0, 0, zeros cancel. 2430, 2,430 is the third year depreciation. On 31st March 2023, by depreciation account 2,430. So what is the balance carried down of this year? And answer is 31st March 2023. Just go for balancing first. 24,300 here by balance carry down. How much is the value? Now minus 24,300 minus 2430. 2430. 0 minus 0, 0. 10 minus 3, 7. 12 minus 4, 8. 3 minus 2, 1. 2 minus nothing, 2. This is your answer. 21,870. Now transfer this balance to the very next date, which is 1st April 2023, to balance brought down 21,870. So this is your diminishing balance method. First you read the question, then you will come to know which method you need to follow and calculate the depreciation under which method. First you read the question. Madhu and Company purchased the machine on 1st April 2020 for 30,000. Depreciation is charged at 10% under diminishing balance method. Look at the diminishing balance method. The difference between fixed installment method and diminishing balance method is, in fixed installment method or straight line method, the depreciation remains constant. For example, if we are doing a problem on fixed installment method, then the depreciation of the first year will be 3,000, next year also 3,000, next year also 3,000. But in this problem, we are doing a machine account under diminishing balance method. Diminishing balance method means every year depreciation does not remain constant. Every year depreciation changes. 3,000 in the first year, next year 2,700, and in the next year 2,430. Look at how to solve the problem. Same, just like a previous problem. On 1st April 2020, to bank account 30,000. By depreciation 10% on 30,000. 30,000 10%, 3,000. 30,000 minus 3,000, 27,000. Now by balance carried down, brought down that balance here. To balance brought down 27,000. 27,000 10%, 2,700. So on 31st March 2022, this financial year, this 12 months depreciation is, by depreciation, 2,700. Minus this 2,700 from 27,000, we come to know that the value of by balance carried down 24,300. Now 10% of 24,300 is 2430. From 24,300, minus the depreciation value 2430, then your answer is by balance carried on 21,870. Brought down that value here on 1st April 2023 to balance brought down 21,870. Hope you understood this problem. We'll do some more problems in upcoming online classes. Thank you very much.